In today's video, let's talk about the way that you use the Viviveror theme. If you have a default theme inside of your Viviveror and if you're trying to change it, let me show you the quick process on how it is done. Once you are inside of the app of Viviveror, you can head over to the More option on the bottom right and then head over to Settings. From this settings, you'll see a section which says Appearance. Once you're inside of the appearance settings, the first option you'll see is Auto Theme. It says right here, Viviveror automatically follows your phone's theme. So in my case, my entire phone is set on a dark theme, so the app is also set to dark theme. If yours is also the same case, and if yours is also toggled on, you'll also have a dark mode automatically enabled. Now if you don't want this, you can turn it off as well. And just beneath, you'll have the option called Choose a Theme, either if you want a light theme or a dark theme as well. Now apart from the theme, you can also change the background. If you head over to the change default background option, these are all of the backgrounds that you can choose from, or if you want, you can also take a picture by tapping on the camera icon on the top right. So from this list, just select a theme or a background that you like, and it will be applied in the chat section inside of any of the chats that are inside of Viviveror. So these are the few settings that you can manage inside of Viviveror. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe if you guys are interested in more future videos just like this.